Hi, it's your two favorite hairdressers. I'm Denise.
And I'm Jennifer, and we're from Martin Gray Hair Solutions. So, are we doing the video today, Denise?
Yes, finally!
Yay!
Yeah, it's about time. Oh my
I
goodness.
know. We're super excited because we have like a new hair extension product, and we love it, and we know you will too. So, let's see. Tell us the fine details of this gorgeous piece of hair, Denise.
Okay, so the name of this product is called Insta-Hair. You can find it on our website. It's amazing. So it's 20 inches long, 100% human hair, Remy hair, cuticle correct, double drawn,
which means it's thick from the top all the way to the bottoms. And because it's cuticle correct Remy hair, no tangling.
Nice.
So the reason why we love this new hair extension is because it does, if you see it, looks like a tape-in.
It does. It totally.
Does. But is it?
No,
it's not. It is an awesome cross between a clip-in hair extension that you can put in, remove, but it's also kind of like a tape-in.
It's right in between those two. That's
right
like
in between. It's like they took the two best parts of these hair extensions, the ease of putting in the hair extension, and the coverage and longevity, like not taking it out on daily like hair extension, to a semi-long term, put it in, wear it for a couple of weeks, hair extension.
With it's easy.
Oh, and it's easy.
It's called Insta-Hair because you can put it in your hair instantly.
Minimum tools, what do you need?
A rat tail comb and a clip, that's it.
No chemicals,
no heat,
no glue, no chemical removers,
no beads.
Gosh, it's
amazing.
Like, amazing.
Let's show why.
Okay, it's very
Get ready
exciting.
to get wowed.
It opens. Look how awesome that is. Now, on top, there's one side that has like a female part, and then on the other side it has a male part. And what you wind up doing is taking a section of hair like you would like a foil, or like when you're gonna do like a tape-in.
Yes.
You're gonna take like enough hair, but not too much hair, and you're gonna place it on one side of the extension. And then what you're gonna do is, as you fold it over, you're gonna marry both the female and male part together, which secures the hair extension into your hair. And honestly, we've had people at a couple of the shows trying to yank on it and stuff. It's in there until you remove it.
Exactly.
And the removal is super duper easy. I mean, honestly, you just take the corner and you open it. That's it. It's awesome. I mean, and like the application, we always suggest doing like our hair extensions in a bricklay pattern, because the benefit of doing that is your perimeter is nice and full. You don't have any gaps in it. And it's pretty awesome. So like we recommend you would do this as well. One of the nice parts is, like, even though you can have it like folded over, say like for bigger sections of hair,
like you want more coverage, like a more
quicker. Yeah,
too.
because sometimes nobody wants to sit.
No, but with this you're hardly sitting.
Oh my gosh,
it's
in out. You could do like a whole head.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, probably less than an hour. I mean,
yeah, way less than an hour.
Way less than an hour.
I think the longest part's going to take is sectioning.
That's
nothing.
Sectioning, clipping it in.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, I mean, and one of the awesome features, like, to get like a lot of things, or like a lot of coverage, is you can open them up and you can put them together. You'll take it, and what you'll do is you'll just click them together. Whoopsie. Let me line that up. Yeah, you'll just line them up, and here you have a full panel of hair. So if you don't want to do like a fold over and do little pieces, here, this is like the whole back section of your nape area, because you know it's not as wide as like across like your crown area.
How amazing is that?
Super amazing.
So you can use this Insta-Hair 2 ways. You can use it in the smaller way, or you can open it and get more coverage in here. That's insane.
Yeah, we're thrilled with it. A lot of times, well, just for like giggles, because it's October, you know, and just for like awareness and stuff, like this color is our 16/613. But we wanted to do like a fashion color for like pink for like some of our clients. They like to put like the pink strands in their hair, and we thought, why not? So we ended up doing our like 613, like this exact color. I mean, you could do it on like the blonde one, you know.
We just use this one.
Yeah, because we thought it was awesome. But we just took a direct dye and we colored it pink. And because of the different lowlights and highlights in this hair, we thought it looked pretty neat.
Yeah,
and again,
dimension.
Yeah, I mean, and at the end of the month, when our clients are like done with it, they don't want to continue to wear it, they don't even have to come and see us. They could just open it up, put it in their jewelry box or something, and they could save it for next October or something. But it's a nice option.
It is.
And like any of our hair extensions, we never recommend like bleaching them, but you know, like to like enrich them, you could do your direct dyes, you could do your semi-permanents, your glosses, just like to enrich it a little bit.
Fantasy colors.
Fantasy colors are awesome. It's a nice introduction. You know, and just like any other hair extensions, you can use these to extend your length of your hair. Or thickness, definitely. Sometimes, you know, if you do little bad stuff to the sides of your hair and it's a little short, it's a great way to instantly fill your hair without having to put like clip-ins day in and day out. It does.
It does happen. But we're super excited about this product, and we know you will be too.
Absolutely.
I mean, it's amazing.
It's amazing. Awesome. We can't say enough good things about it. If you check out our social media accounts, we have like little videos where you can see how easy it goes in. It's awesome. At the moment, we have 5 colors we're offering on our site and stuff. We're continuously adding new colors to it, so check back if we don't have exactly your color at the moment, or if you're feeling extra excitable, you could always get a color that's close to your hair.
Yeah.
You know, and just enrich it to match your exact tone. Again, no bleaching.
And on the website, too, there's a guideline for, like, fine hair, medium hair, coarse hair, or thick hair, actually.
Yeah, just so you don't have to guess
how many package you need.
I mean, these are awesome. Like, one of these is 5 grams of hair. That's a lot of hair.
That is a lot of hair.
I mean, that's awesome. It's a lot of hair in a short amount of time. They hold up very well. They are reusable. We just love them. We love them. You could use your stylist, or you could use a friend, you know, to install them. I don't know if you could install them by yourself, because sometimes like sectioning.
Yeah, that'd be tough.
But hey, if you're creative and you have the time to do it, you're not going to damage your hair, because there's nothing to damage it with.
There's no glue, no chemicals, no heat.
Easy on. Heck, even if you decide like, okay, you're done with it, you don't even have to go back to your stylist to take them out. You just open them.
Open them.
Done. It's awesome. So check out our website, see what's going on. We're constantly adding new stuff. Check out our social media for like some of our like smaller little, you know, like instructional videos. They're real short, but it gives you a quick view on how it's used and stuff. Don't forget to like and share our video, and please subscribe. Put the notifications on so you know when we're coming out with new products, new videos, and you will be thrilled, just like we are.
Yeah, we are thrilled.
So I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Denise.
And we're from Martin Gray Hair Solutions. Have a great hair day. Bye.
Bye.